Start 60, 3 right, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60, 3 right, very long tightens, to 2 right, half long tightens, 50. Jump. Into sudden, 3 left, half long, 70. Bump. Into 3 right short, 40, caution, 3 left, tighten, square, half long, 50. Slight left, 30. 1 left short, to 6 right of the crest, 80. Slight right of a bump, 100. Left of a big jump, 150. Slowing, caution, crest, into turn, 1 left, tightens, 90. Five left, very long, tightens 4, long, opens, and 5 left, 50. 3 right, long, tightens 1, 30. Square right, and 5 left, 250. Six right short, 150. Slowing, late 2 left, long, tightens. 50, long crest, 70. Hairpin right, short. 90. Slight right, 60, crest. And 5 left, tightens, 150. Caution, right of a small crest, 40, square right, 150. Crest, 100. 5 right short, and small jump, 160. Caution, 5 right, long, tightens 3, half long at junction, 400. Slowing, turn, square left, 70. 5 right, brake, into square left, 50. 5 left short of a crest, and 3 right short, into 5 left, don't cut, 40. Late, square right, into crest, 50. Turn, square right, 200. Turn, 1 left, tightens, 80. 5 right, half long, 60. Turn, square left, 300. Finish, 100, crest to stop. Okay, that's a 3 minute 27.2.